A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about remaining problems related to cone and remaining exercise problems in 10.3. So this is our example 8. A tent is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a cone. A tent is in the form of cylinder surmounted by a cone. Cone is kept top of the cylinder. A cone having its diameter of the base is equals to 24 meters. Here cone diameter is 24 meters, means cylinder diameter is also 24 meters. The height of the cylinder is 11 meters and the vertex of the cone is 5 meters above the cylinder. Here the height of the cylinder is 11 meters. And the height of the vertex of the cone from the top of the cylinder is 5 meters. Find the cost of making the tent if the rate of the canvas is 10 rupees per meter square. This is our question. Find the cost of making the tent. This is our question. Here the cylinder is surmounted by a cone. So diameter of the cylinder and diameter of the cone is same. Diameter is 24 meters. So diameter is 24 meters means radius is diameter by 2. Radius is 12 meters. Height of the cylinder is 11 meters. Here height of the cone is 5 meters. We have to find the cost of making the tent. So here we have to find curved surface area of cone and curved surface area of cylinder. So here curved surface area of cone formula is pi r L. Curved surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi r h. In the given problem, height of the cone is given and diameter of the cone is already given. Here L is question mark. Here L is question mark. Here L is equals to formula square root of r square plus h square. Here radius is 12 meters and height of the cone is 5 meters. So that is equals to square root of 12 square plus 5 square. That is equals to 144 plus 25 square root of 169. So that is equals to 13 meters. So slant height is 13 meters. Here slant height. This is the slant height. Slant height is 13 meters. So here curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Formula pi r is common. Remaining terms are slant height L plus 2 into H1. H1 means height of the cylinder. H1 is height of the cylinder. H2 is height of the cone. So that is equals to 22 by 7 into radius 12 into slant height is 13 plus 2 into H1 means 11. So that is equals to 22 by 7 into 12 into 13 plus 2 into 11. 2 into 11 is 22 plus 13 is 35. 22 plus 13 is 35. 7 5 is 35. So that is equals to 22 into 12 5 is 60. 22 60 is 1320 meters square. Total surface area of the tent is 1320 meters square. Here total surface area means lateral surface area of or curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. So this is the surface area of cone 1320 meters square. Here our question is find the cost of the tent. Here canvas cost is for 1 meter square cost is 10 rupees. Here 10 rupees per meter square. So for 1 meter square cost is 10 rupees. For 1320 meter square cost is 10 into 1320. Per 1 meter square cost is rupees 10. Per 1320 meter square cost is 10 into 1320. So that is equals to 13,200 rupees. So the cost of the canvas to make the tent, the cost of the canvas is 13,200 rupees. This is the final result. This is our example 9. The question is, a conical tent was erected by army at the base camp, which height 3 meters and base diameter is 8 meters. A conical tent erected by the army camp. Here base diameter is 8 meters and height of the tent is 3 meters. Here radius is diameter by 2, so that is equals to 4 meters. Here height is 3 meters and radius of its base is 4 meters. The tent is erected by the army camp. So tents are always in the shape of conical. We have to find these two questions from the given data. Here cost of the canvas required for making the tent. Cost of the canvas tent. We have to find cost of the canvas to making the tent. So the cost of the canvas is 70 rupees per 1 square meter. Square meter is nothing but meter square. Per 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees. Next question. 3.5 meter cube. Find the number of persons seated in the tent. If the each person volume is 3.5 meter cube. Each person volume is 3.5 meter cube. Find the number of persons seated in the tent. Means if each person volume is 3.5 meter cube. Each person volume is 3.5 meter cube. Find the number of persons. Find the how many number of persons seated in the tent. This is our second question mark. How many persons seated in the tent? For the first question, we have to find curved surface area of the conical tent. For the second one, we have to find volume of the conical tent. Here in the curved surface area formula is pi RL. In the curved surface area formula is pi RL. Here in the given question, diameter, radius is given and the height of the cone is given. We have to find slant height first. Here slant height formula is square root of r square plus h square. Here r is 4. 4 square plus height of the conical tent is 3 meters square. So that is equals to square root of 25, means 5 5s are 25, 5 meters. Here slant height is 5 meters. Our formula, so that is equals to 22 by 7. Pi means 22 by 7 into, here radius is 4 into height of the slant height of the conical tent is 5. So that is equals to, here 22 4s are 88. 88 5s are 440 by 7 meter square. Here curved surface area units are meter square, or radius in meters, slant height is in meters, meter into meter square, area units are meter square. This is the curved surface area of conical tent, 440 by 7 meter square. Here volume of the conical tent formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is equals to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius of its base is 4 into again 4 r square, means 4 into 4 into height is 3 meters. Height of the conical tent is 3 meters. Here 3 cancel. 22 4s are 88. 88 into 4s are 352 by 7 meter cube. So here volume units are meter cube. R square means meter into meter. Height is again meter. Meter into meter. Meter square into meter. Meter cube. Volume units are meter cube. So volume of the conical tent is 352 by 7 meter cube. Here our first question is find the cost of the canvas. Here for 1 square meter means meter square cost is 70 rupees. Here curved surface area of conical tent is 440 by 7 meter square. Already we obtained from the calculation. So 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees per 440 by 7. Meter square cost is 440 by 7 into 70. Here 7 tens are 70. So that is equals to 4,400 rupees. Here the cost of the canvas required for making the tent. So the cost of the canvas is 4,400 rupees. Next, second question. Don't cancel these fractions. Here denominator 7. Here the cost of the canvas calculation. Here 7 is cancelled. So volume of the conical tent is 352 by 7 meter cube. We already obtained this value from our calculation. Here X number of persons can be seated in the tent. Here X number of persons can be seated in the tent. So X into 3.5 is equals to volume of the conical tent. So that is equals to 352 by 7. This is very important step. X into 3.5 meter cube is equals to total volume of the tent 352 by 7. Here into 3.5 transposes to divided by. So X is equals to 352 by 7 divided by 3.5 means 352 by 7 into 1 by 3.5. So that is equals to 14.36. Nearly 14 men. So finally 14 men can be seated in the conical tent erected by army. This is our final result. This is our 9th question from exercise 10.3. The question, what length of tarpaulin? Here, what length of tarpaulin? Length is question mark. Tarpaulin length is question mark. 3 meters wide will be required to make a conical tent. Here, width of the tarpaulin is, the area of the tarpaulin is length into breadth. So here breadth is already given. Breadth is nothing but wide. Here wide is 3 meters. So area of the tarpaulin is 3 into L. This tarpaulin is used for making the tent. The conical tent of height 8 meters. This is vertical height. This is not a slant height. This is vertical height. The height of the conical tent is 8 meters and the base radius is 6 meters. Assume that extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeters. Here 20 centimeters extra tarpaulin used for wastage in cutting the edges. Wastage in cutting the edges and stitching the margins. And stitching the margins of conical tent. Here wasting in cutting and stitching margins. 20 centimeters extra tarpaulin is required for stitching the margins and wastage in cutting. We have to find curved surface area of conical tent. Formula is pi r L. Here L is question mark. L means formula square root of r square plus h square. Here radius is 6 square. Height is 8 square. So that is equals to square root of 100. So slant height of the conical tent is 10 meters. Here substitute these values in our formula. So 22 by 7 into radius is 6 meters into slant height is 10 meters. That is equals to 62.8 meters. Here tarpaulin total area is 3L. 3 means Width of the taffalin. L means length of the taffalin. So the area of the taffalin cloth is 3L. So here 20 centimeters for extra taffalin is required to stitches. So just add this 20 centimeters to our curved surface area. Here 62.8 plus 20 centimeters. Convert it into meters. So that is equals to 0.2 meters. Just add this measure to our curved surface area of conical tent. So result is 63 meters. Here curved surface area of conical tent is equals to area of tarpaulin. This is very important formula, my dear children. Here area of the tarpaulin is equals to curved surface area. Here curved surface area including our extra tarpaulin is equals to 63 meters. Here tarpaulin area is 3L. Here L is 3 transposes to divided by 63 divided by 3. Result is 21 meters. Here length of the tarpaulin is 21 meters. So the question is, what is the length of tarpaulin? Here length is 21 meters. This is our final result. This is our 12th question. Last question from exercise 10.3. Question is, two similar cones have volumes 12 pi cubic units, means units cube, and 96 pi cubic units. Two similar cones. Similarity means, here similarity means corresponding sides are in proportion. Here corresponding side, vertical height, H1 corresponding side is H2. Here H1 corresponding side is H2. Both are in proportion. Here similarity means both are in proportion. And next, radius of its first cone R1 is proportion with R2. So here in the similarity, angle at the top vertex is equal. Here angles are both are equal. H1 is proportion with H2. R1 is proportionate with R2. Here H2 is equals to X into H1, some proportionality constant. Here R2 is equals to X into R2 is equals to X into R1. X is the proportionality constant. So if the curved surface area of the similar cone is 15 pi square units, what is the curved surface area of larger cone? Here volume of the first cone is 12 pi and volume of the second cone is 96 into pi. So curved surface area of smaller cone is 15 into pi. Curved surface area of larger one is question mark. Here similarity means sides are in proportion. Top angle at the vertex of the cone is also equal. Proportion means H2 is equals to some proportionality constant into H1. Here is also R2 is equals to X into R1. Here the ratio of the volumes are V2 is to V1, means V2 by V1 is equals to 96 pi by 12 pi. Here pi cancel, 12 8s are 96. So V2 formula is, volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 into pi r square h. Here r is radius is R2 and height of the larger cone is H2 by V1 volume of first cone is equals to 1 by 3 into pi into radius of its base is R1 and height of the cone is H2. 12 8s are 96, result is 8. Here pi cancel, 1 by 3 cancel. Here R2 is equals to, what is the value of R2? X into R1 whole square. Substitute this value instead of R2. X into R1 whole square into H2. What is the value of H2? Here H2 is X into H1. Here R2 is X into R1. H2 is X into H1 whole square. Here X square R1 square into X into H by r1 square into h1. Here r1 square cancel. h1 cancel. X square into x is x cube is equals to 8. Here 8 by 1 nothing but 8. So here x square into x is x cube is equals to 8. Here x cube is equals to 8, x is equals to 2. Transpose it into cubical form. So x cube is equals to 2 cube. Here third root of 8 is 2 cube. So that is equals to, here powers are equal. Here both powers are equal. X cube 2 cube powers are equal. Bases are also equal. So x is equals to 2. This is the final result. Powers are equal. Bases are also equal. X is equals to 2. Here in the both cones, sides are in proportion. Here H2 is 2 times H1. R2 is 2 times R1. Here proportionality constant is 2 times. Here is also 2 times. H2 is 2 into H1. R2 is 2 into R1. So the curved surface area, we have to find ratio between the curved surface area. Curved surface area 2 by curved surface area 1 is equals to, formulas are pi into R2 into L. Pi RL is the formula of curved surface area. Second cone curved surface area is pi into R2 into L2. Here similarity means sides are in proportion. H is in proportion, R is in proportion, slant height L is also in proportion. So L2 is equals to 2 into L1. Here R2 is 2 into R1 into L2 is 2 into L1 by R1 L1. Here R1 cancel, L1 cancel. Just substitute. Instead of R2 is 2 into R1. L2 is 2 into L1. Here 2 2s are 4. So area of second right circular cone by area of first right circular cone is equals to 4 by 1. 2 2s are 4. Remaining terms, all terms are cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 4 by 1. So here A2, area of second cone is A1 transpose 4 into A1. So that is equals to 4 into 15 into pi. Already given in our problem. This value already given in our problem. So that is equals to 4 into 15 pi. 15 pi into 4 is equals to 60 pi square units or unit square. This is the final result. The area of curved surface area of second cone is 4 times the area of first cone. Both are in proportion. The second cone is 4 times the area of curved surface area of first cone. Okay, my dear students, hope you understand. In exercise 10.3, problem number 7, 8 and 11 as your homework. If you have any doubts in this session, please contact my number. Thank you.